Dumpster rental service in Cañon City, Colorado. From renovations to cleanouts, Red Rock Disposal is here to help. Our professional dumpster rental service in Cañon City, Colorado, is designed to make your projects easier, more efficient, and stress-free. Whether remodeling your home, tackling a landscaping project, or clearing out clutter, Red Rock Disposal provides the perfect waste management solution. We understand that every project is unique, so we're committed to offering reliable, affordable service tailored to your needs. Our team takes pride in punctual deliveries and pickups, ensuring your timeline stays on track. Our dumpster rental service lets you focus on your project without worrying about waste removal. No matter the size or scope of your job, Red Rock Disposal is here to help. From DIY home projects to large construction sites, we've got you covered with dependable service and a commitment to keeping Cañon City clean and green. We take waste management seriously, ensuring your debris is disposed of responsibly. Our environmentally conscious approach helps protect our beautiful Colorado community for generations. Call us at 719-396-2723 to book your dumpster rental. Choose Red Rock Disposal for your next project and experience hassle-free waste removal.